Hello and welcome to my first video. I'm Dr. Daljit Kaur. I'm here to help you friends with the concept of health and disease. As you all know, health is a very commonest question to be asked from the examiner. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. This is actually a very broad term and not merely only the absence of disease. Like if you do not have any disease, it does not mean you are healthy. So now Government of India, even WHO has included both of the components, socio-economic and spiritual component as well. Today we are here with the concept of public health as well. This is the science and art of preventing disease, prolonging life and promoting health through the organized efforts of society. Let's take an example. How is it different from a clinician, like public health specialist and clinician? If, for example, accident happens or accident occur of an individual, what the clinician will do? It will immediately fix like plaster of Paris and go the with the clinician or orthopedician. And what the public health specialist or community medicine specialist will do, like how it has occurred, why it has occurred, like what can be the reason. Might be he's not having proper vision, and so he's not able to drive properly. Another can be like he might be drunk or under the influence of drugs. He might not be driving on the safer roads, might not be having any knowledge or attitude of the skills of driving, and might not be having any safe car. Like he might be not able to service his car. Why he was not able to servicing his car? Might be he was not having money. Why he was not having money? It can be the reason he was not having proper job. Why he was not having proper job? It can be the reason because of lack of education. So friends, how it is interlinked between each others, like how he was not having any education properly, might be his family was not able to afford his education. So think like how public health or community medicine specialist will think, and why it is very important. See, it is very fascinating subject. Now how it works, this is also very important. So you can see health is determined by complex interaction between many determinants of health, like individual determinants, like individual lifestyle and behavior, how he is taking healthy diets, properly sleep and exercise as well, and physical, social and economic environment of his health. So these all are social determinants of the health. Now we'll think about the who is responsible for it, who is doing it. All the sectors of society, it is coordinated efforts of all these departments, not only the health departments. It is included with the efforts of even government, private sector, non-governmental organization as well as international organization. See how these all are interlinked. You can think about public health specialist work. Now what are these core areas for the public health work or community medicine? These are the three core areas: protection, prevention, and promotion. Protection, how we can protect the health of an individual, like controlling of infectious diseases, controlling of environmental hazards. Like you can see Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, there are many efforts going on, managing emergencies as early as possible and ensure safety and healthy workplaces. Another thing is promotion. This is also the core area. Promotion, how can we promote the health of an individual? Like giving proper diet, exercise, healthy behavior. These are the example of it. And improving the social determinants of the health. And the another third, most importantly, the preventing the disease via vaccination. Like you all know, immunization is going on, screening of disease. Like before emerging any disease, how can you prevent it? These all three core areas are very important. So thank you very much for the your time, and Please like, subscribe my channel if you got this. Thank you so much.